Hi, I'm MJ, and I help leaders and organizations make change stick. 20 years ago, when I first started leading large scale transformation projects, I was eager. I dove right in, but most of the time I was in a fog. There were no mentors to guide me, no manuals or methodologies, and I learned through trial and error, and many of that learning resulted in painful mistakes. And in addition, I started to pay attention to the common pitfalls that organizations went through. And that really frustrated me. And I came to learn that actually 70% of all change efforts fail. And the reason for that failure is because our physical effort alone, that execution in the weeds alone, doesn't cut it. We got to get upstream where success actually starts, and that is in our energy. So I developed an energy engineering model I call the EpiFUNny Factory to avoid that common failure, to avoid some of that pain, and to lead business transformation successfully. And today there are change methodologies out there, and if you're using one, this will help you work even better because the secret to success is to engineer the energy first. And look, I know it's crazy to say that when you change the energy, it changes everything. So that's why this model is practical, it's down to earth, and it's actionable. This model will save you time, money, and stress. And you can learn more about it in my book, Engineering an Epiphany, which is on Amazon, or just stay tuned here to LinkedIn, where I frequently post. Successful business change is more important now than ever. The speed of change is speeding up, and your business survival depends on how effective you are at leading successful change. And I'm committed to helping leaders all over the world succeed because people with passion, with vision, and skill can change the world. Leaders like you. Are you ready?